manual, no textbook, no formula. That's why.
그 답이 얻을 것 같아. 답 맞는다 끝에
Is it convincing? Answer yes or no?
맞다는 거야. Yes.
Answer is yes. Your answer must be yes. He knew the truth, but he could not fulfill it yet.
참 사랑으로서 세울 수 있는 전통을 이 땅에 내려서 전통을 내려서.
He could not leave the tradition of true men and women after him. He must fulfill certain steps, certain stages.
자, 그래서 다시 와야 된다. 다시 와야 된다. 다시 와야 된다. 알았기 때문에 그러면 예수님 몰랐던 나는 알았기 때문에 다시 온다는 말 한 사실을 볼 때에 예수를 알고 있었다는 거야.
So that's why only alternative, only option remained to Jesus was that I must come again. I must come again. How do you know Jesus was the Messiah? Very utterances, statement he made, I must come back. That shows he was the Messiah. That shows he knows the truth. But he knew he could not fulfill it at his own time.
그래서 올 땐 뭘 찾아오느냐면 신부를 찾아왔단 말.
So when he comes again,
명잔치할 때 신부를 신랑으로 신부로 찾아왔단 말. 얼마나 멋있는 얘기를.
so it is a realistic truth that when he comes again, he comes after his own bride, for the sake of fulfillment of the marriage of Lamb. Marriage of Lamb become a fulfillment.
연애연 가지고도 예수는 메시아라는 자격을 따고도 남는.
Jesus was the Messiah. He was qualified to be a Messiah. He was the Son of God. No question about it. His qualification was absolute.
그래서 예수가 다시 와서 뭐라 그러잖아. 마찬가지로 하나님의 뜻을 이루어야 된다. 참 사람이 되고 참 모험이 돼가지고 참 모험한테 참 남편 내 사랑이 할 수 있고 참 남편한테 내 사랑이 할 수 있는 모험이 돼가지고 하나님이 볼 때 참 아들 딸이 내 사랑 아들 딸이 없는 거야. 그런다는 거야.
So, time of Jesus, when he said he's come again, when he comes again, first he must become true man himself, of course. Not only that, he must find and create true woman. And unite with man and husband, man and woman, or husband and wife. And in sight of God, they become eternal blessing and unbreakable, eternal fulfillment of true love. That point, God will say, I fulfill the will. I fulfill the responsibility.
여자가 말하기를 참는다는 요게 모델이다. 하나님이 말할 때 내 사랑을 중심 삼고 하나에게 있는 참 남자다 모델이다. 그래는 거야. 남자도 마찬가지다.
So Jesus must have a woman. That woman must be in a position to say, Jesus is my husband, and he's an ideal man, and he's a true man. That particular statement must be uttered by woman. And he should be in that kind of position.
하나님이 말하기를 하나님 내 사랑을 중심 틀리면 내 아들이다.
So from the position of God, then God will say, it is indeed my son and my daughter. They're united in one, in harmony, unification.
자, 그래서 남자 여자가 이렇게 쭉 이제 그래가지고 사랑하고 있으면 어떻게 하나 되는 거야?
Then how would they become one? How would they become in love, and how would they become one?
어떻게 하나 되는 거야?
You think so? How would they? How would they? Huh?
응? 어떻게 하나 되는 거야? 문자. 어떻게 하나 되는 거야?
How would they become one?
하나님의 중심의 사랑을 가운데 법판에 세우고 하나된 완전한 여자로서의 남자를 내 이상 상대라고 생각해가지고 이 불타는 사랑을 가져가지고 하나님 사랑을 안고 여자도 하나님 사랑을 안고 남자도 하나님 사랑을 안고 자기 사랑을 안고 둘이 다 앉아가지고 이길 수 없으니까 이 붙은 거 하나 되는
That's how we become one. That's how we become one. First of all, men and women have to become embodiment of love of God, or personification of love of God, so that love of God and the Spirit of God burning within her, within him. Then when you begin and burning with the love of God, you cannot sit still, you cannot sit idle. You've got to unite like this. Got to be.
그래 둘이 하나 돼가지고 빼달과 들어가지고 옥사도 그냥 눌러라 해가지고 하나님을 아이고 나 찌겠구나 할 때는 세상이 왕창 들린다는 거야.
So, the men and women united, so completely united, God was in between. God was absolutely crushed. Help! When God shouted out that word, that was a fulfillment. That's the finishing product. No more, nothing better afterward.
That's great.
Men and women become...
Of course, that's great. 자, 그래서 여자 남자들이 왜 이렇게 붙들고 야단하는 이야기야? 그게 문제라고.
So, men and women are naturally embraced, become one. You know, that's the nature. That the nature built that way. But probably there's no God within them.
미녀들 둘이 얼마나 보동보동을 살 거니 이마마 떼고 산다고 아이고 얼마나 지는 줄 알아. 해보라고. 얼마나 기가 막히냐고.
What about? You have gotten the half story, only half story. What the father is saying, suppose there's a beauty queen, Miss America, another Miss America, or Miss Korea, or Miss Japan. Two women are loving each other. Do you think that is natural?
그 보던 사람들이 다 돌아서게 됐다고.
The people would see that kind of scene. Oh, no. Shy away from it. You don't want to see it.
여자가 여기서 아무래도 개발 같은 선 가지고 그렇게 아무라하는 그런 여자가 개발 같은 여자하고 나를 사랑한다고 해서 그 징그럽다는 게.
So the women's skin is so snow white, you know, skin so milky color and so spongy and then that woman's beautiful hand and touching another soft, spongy hand. That is absolutely unthinkable. Unimaginable.
그건 사람을 맺는데 살 같은 사람 가운데 살 같은 뼈다귀를 만들어 놨으니 주지 않는 사람이다. 얼마나 기분 좋아.
It's almost like God creating a man with this soft flesh, but put the bone in it. The bone is as soft as flesh. Think of it. Bone is as soft as your flesh.
어떤 사람이나 주지 않는
That
사람이다.
woman, that man becomes... No bone to that woman or that man.
그러한 남자를 원하는 여자가 있으면 손들어 보소.
So any woman who desire to have your husband, that boneless man, raise them please.
저 웃는 거야.
At least there's the one woman want that. But the rest of the women are, oh no. They're adamantly opposed to have such a man as your mate.
그 여자들 공인해. 똑똑히 얘기하자.
What about you women? To be honest to father. Would you like to have that kind of man?
그럼 어떤 맨?
What kind of man do you want?
빼라고. 황소발톱 같은 남자. 털이 뭉클뭉클한 거. 하고 이게 힘 줬던 사람이
What kind of man? Man has a muscular, muscle, hair, strong bone, lots of hair. So that when that hand grabs the woman's hand, the women's are completely melted inside the strong hands of men. That kind of man.
남자 하는 대로 줬어. 이럴 수 있게 돼 있는 거야 이게.
That's the way nature is all about. That's the way God made in His blueprint. That's the way men and women are supposed to be.
자,
Different.
그럼 아니 여자는 삐라고 해서 그 남자가 살같아야지 미국 여자는 그걸 주장하는데.
No, some women say no.
너 아메리칸.
American women are saying no. We want to be in a bone position. Men become a flesh. Men become a soft, spongy flesh.
자, 미국이 하나님 뭐냐면 무엇이 주체고 무엇이 제사이고 어디가 자원질할 거고 어디가 거짓할 거 이게 쌍털이 됐대 망하는 거예요.
Today, America is suffering from confusion, incredible confusion. There's everything is just tumbled in and upside down and it's right side, no right side up, wrong side up. Now we just have no concept of subject. What is subject? What is order? What is object? What is responsive? What take initiative? We have no idea. This is the problem.
이제 여기 아메리칸 유니피케이션 무브먼트 너들은
What about? You are not ordinary American women. American unification women. You are different women, yes or no?
남자가 주체야 여자들이 주체야.
Who are the subject, men or women?
women. I like women. I love women.
Very reluctantly, yes.
그런데 미국의 60만 여자는 전부 다 이 남자를 마음대로 내가 주체가 내가 주체. 그리고 내가 달려. 이리 와. 변사 와서 이렇게 공자를 시켜.
But here in America, we have so many women are in a position of subject. They're pulling men around. Come here, come here. You wash my hip, all right.
남자, I love you, I follow you, follow you.
Meantime, I have seen so many boneless men in America. Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes, darling. Yes, my dear. Yes. What's the next? What's the next?
여자들 기분 나빠, 안 나빠?
Well, would you feel good or bad, huh? Women.
여자들 기분 나빠, 아니면 기분 나빠, 너들 나라는 망하는 거야, 너들 망하는 거야, 사탄이 세무리는 거라 그래야 돼.
You may feel bad, but if you really feel bad about it, then that means a sign of the Satan is going to be a victim, the winner, and America will not have great hope.
You are spirit. Generation, in the future, your generation, pessimist.
Pessimistic. Future is not there.
America
Future posterity. America will collapse, demolish.
여자 남자 질서를 벌잡는
Order, nature, and the God creation has an order, certain sequence, certain law and order, and certain discipline, and we must keep that discipline.
그 환영의 여자다, 미국 여자다.
What about? You like the law and order, American women. What about? Yes or no?
Yes, I need a little time. Yes, I answer. Yes. Yes, hindi 여자라. 우리가 문제라. 또 알아서 여자들.
You understand now, huh? You understand?
그 누구도 말 안 주고 제멋대로 된 미국을 기억할 사람은 레브론밖에 없다고 하면 뭐야?
So actually, therefore, nobody can this kind of thing, frankly and honestly, except Reverend Moon. Therefore, no one can educate American women except Reverend Moon.
그걸 인정하지?
You accept it, don't you?
그래 내 말 들어야 돼. 내 말
So you listen to me. You listen to me.
안 들을 수 없죠. 살살 꼬여들 가는데 안 들을 수 없는 거야.
But when you listen to, then you feel, you must listen to him because you have to. Because it's logical. It's scientific.
말아주겠다. 알을 수 있어? 그러니까 그렇게 알고 이제는 여기 온 사람 축복받은 사람 손 들어봐.
Those who have been blessed, raise them please. Show forth.
그 누가 축복해줘서?
Who gave you the blessing, huh?
그 축복이 얼마나 싼 거야? 비싼 거야?
How cheap that was, how expensive that was. Expensive or cheap? Did you get the cheap blessing or expensive blessing?
How much expensive? You cannot exchange. You cannot exchange and give it.
That was so priceless. You cannot exchange it with the rest of the world, the entire world.
내가 축복해준 분을 때가 많다. 이놈의 자식.
Sometimes Father regret the giving the blessing. Sometimes Father feel regret instead of fulfill.
축복을 왜 해주는 거야? 이제 말한 것 같이 선남선녀가 되고 참 사람 참 해가지고 참 남자가 돼가지고 하나 돼가지고 하나님과 하나 될 수 있는 불변의 영원한 하나님의 아들 딸 되라고 축복해 준 걸 알아야 돼.
I want you to know why Father has given the blessing to you. The Father has given you the blessing to create that model true men, model true women, so that they become united, become a model husband and wife, model family inside of God.
너들
That was the
말이야.
total idea.
너들. 아유, I don't like that kind of husband style. I don't like that kind of woman style. I don't like that. No matter how Father give me bless to us, I don't receive that envy. It's like
Some cases, you know.
who decision?
You take
Who
it.
decide? Who make decide decision? God, Father. You decision. 이런 패들이 많더래.
So, what Father basically saying that you have no way to say, just simply looking at horizontally, I do not like that kind, or that kind, or this type, or that type. There's no room for that. There's no room for
예수님은 결혼하기 위해서 2000년 동안 순교의 필요를 이어나왔다는 사실을 알아야 돼.
Jesus Christ. In order to make one heavenly matching possible, there was a martyrdom of 2,000 years
얼마나 사람이 있으니까 그 자리를 찾아오는 거야.
for Christian history.
하나님은 지금 역사 이래 인류 역사 지금 80만 년, 150만 년 이렇게 말하고 있지만 타락의 인간이 생긴 그 이후에서부터 하나님은 이 축복의 참 남자, 참 아들, 딸의 축복의 자리를 지금까지 찾아왔다는 거래.
I want you to understand, human history, maybe biblically 6,000 years, but scientifically, probably many million years. All this time, God has been walking, going after the one day of fulfillment, the day of fulfillment of true men and women and true marriage. Blessing is that critically important, that historical event.
예수님이 축복해주고 싶을까나?
What do you think? Jesus Christ, at his own time, wanted to give the blessing to his own disciple? Yes or no?
종교 역사 세계에 지금까지 불교라든가 기독교만 해도 천주교만 해도 결혼을 장려한다가 됐나? 역사 이래의 통일교회는 천부모님 간판을 들고 나와가지고 세계를 열한시키게 만들고 각종 인종들을 초래가져가지고 전부 다 묶어가지고 축복해준다는 노름이 무슨 노름이야? 이게 천지개벽이라고 역사상에 처음 벌어지는 사실 알아야 돼.
I want you to understand, in the religious history, in a way, the marriage was taboo. The religion has to be, all throughout history has been anti-marriage. The celebrity was the noble imperative in the religious history. Only with the Unification Church, in the name of true parents alone, we are making marriage as the culmination of the human history.
어째서 유니피케이션을 말로 해내가 유니피케이션 통일교는 말한 말이야, 여러분.
And we must understand. Therefore, Father said, Unification Church is a revolution in the religious history. So, now we see the word unification. Unification.
이게 무엇을 중상하는 말이야?
So, unification. One
하나님의
unification.
불변의 사랑을 중삼고 아담과 우리 인류 시대가 완전히 하나 참 사람 참 아내가 돼가지고 하나님의 사랑을 중삼하고 영원히 종적으로 하나 되고 행적인도 하나 된 그 기반 밑에서 나온 것이 유니피케이션이라는 단어를 알아야 된다.
Unification. In the Unification Church means unification of love. Love of God. From this love of husband and wife and the love of God and humanity, this unification what we're talking about. This is where word unification was adopted by our church.
자, 그럼 유니피케이션 처치에서는 레브런 문하고 레브런 문 아내를 뭐라고 그러나?
So then, when you join the Unification Church, accept the Unification Church, the principle. When you look at Reverend Moon and Mrs. Moon, how would you look at them? What capacity? Who are they for you?
너들 말이 무슨 페렌츠라고 해? 무슨 페렌츠라고 해?
What kind of parents are they?
무슨 페렌츠야? 무슨
What
페렌츠?
kind of parents?
여러분이 말하기를 말이지.
Just a parent? False parents?
이런 말 잘 쓰지. 트루 페렌츠 그죠?
So, it's a new word. No religion has ever spoken about the true parent. We're the first.
트루 페렌츠는 뭐야?
What are the true parents? What are they?
아까 말한 그거라고. 뜻을 이루는 거야.
True
타락
parents.
세계에 있어서의 타락한 하나님의 뜻을 풀어줘가지고 타락하지 않은 본원의 뜻을 갖다 맞추기 위한 노력하는 이것을 완성시켜서야만이 트루 페렌츠의 사명이 끝난다는 걸 알아야 되는 거야.
True parents are the fulfillment of the will of God. Fulfillment of the unification of love of God. That's why this is so historical. So crucially important.
타락한 뜻 알아야 돼. 너를 몰라.
But you do not know the real implication of the word true parents. And how long, how hard it took to come out this far to come out the word true parent.
지금까지 선생님이 해나가는 거 여러분 믿을 수 없는 노름을 해나왔고 상상할 수 없는 노름이 우리 현실 무대로서 적응시켜 나왔다는 사실은 이런 천적 배후의 인연이 타시하기 때문에 사랑을 중심 삼은 힘으로 말미암아 모든 것이 이루어지고 모든 것이 풀려나가는 거래. 하나님이 같이 하기 때문에.
Behind the true parent, the word true parent, unification, there was an incredible hidden history, hidden tribulation on part of Father, and which you have not known to the truth yet. And with the convolution of an incredible showdown with the evil and the satanic world, only upon the prevailing upon such a showdown, this word victoriously came out, and unification become a reality.
선생님이 감옥에 들어가 있는 70일째 7개월 동안에 세계가 얼마나 변했는지 모른다고.
So, you also do not know, while Father was staying at Danbury over 7 months now, how much heaven and earth has changed already.
선생님이 가서 놀래주는 게 아니라고 결판자야.
I want you to know, Father is not at Danbury just for wasting time. No, that was the place for showdown. The heaven and earth showdown is made in Danbury. The Father has been working harder than ever.
하늘이 아래 있던 것이 올라가야 되겠고 사탄이 위에 있던 것이 내려가야 되겠고 동양 문명이 아래 있던 것이 올라가고 서양 문명이 내려가야 되겠고.
Evil forces during this time is constantly steadily going down. Good forces that is going up steadily while Father is in prison. That the Eastern civilization is going up. Western civilization harmonized and unified with the Eastern civilization.
미국 국민이 레브렘을 자원해 그 레브렘을 나와서 이제 앞으로 죄 없는 것이 많잖아 들어갔던 서구 사회는 나한테 부르고.
So, when the Father coming out, they will come. They could not keep Father eternally at Danbury. No way they could do that. Father will come out one day, and they come to the realization, Father is innocent. There was no reason America should put this man into the prison. Then that day, America and the Western civilization will surrender.
들어갈 때는 미국의 방해거리요, 미국의 장해거리요, 원수여 모두 쓸데없는 사람을 채워넣었지만은 나올 때는 또 들어가는 데는 토일게 해치대로 들어갔지만은 나올 때는 달라질 것이다 아는 것이 서정이라고.
So Father knew when Father entered into Danbury, America thought, well, we get rid of one troublemaker. Or they thought, well, we can find one unification church leader. But as Father comes out of Danbury, we will see not just unification church leader, it is a history maker.
내가 미국을 치더라도 미국이
And
권총만 맞아.
America will find new hope. And the Father,
그런 얘기해야 돼.
and then Father will be offensive. And offensive to the United States, America will not have any defense. No excuses.
그런 재료가 필요해. 그 재료를 만들게 해야 되겠다 말이야.
Father is making that kind of textbook material. Material.
That
Proof.
kind of material. Why? I saw down that material so that I want to make some of you.
The proof. Father gathered the material. The material proof. And so that when the Father come out, that become a weapon. Weapon to accuse the evildoer.
이거를 쓰면은
It's almost like a machine gun. Those are the weapons.
How much wonderful woman today, I think about it. How much wonderful woman today. 두 사람이 무장 말이야. armament.
What kind of incredible armament, weapon Father created for the continuing battle, coming up showdown, physical showdown in the free world, in the United States.
그럴 것 같아?
Do you believe so?
그렇게 몇 개월 전만 1년 전만에 죽게끔 반대하던 그 대가리들이 나한테 와서 무릎을 꿇고 나 당신 명령대로 하겠습니다. 내 눈을 많이 만났다.
But so many people, those people who, even 6 months ago, 1 year ago, they were like the arrogant, ardent enemy to the Unification Church. Those religious leaders, ministers, big names, professors, and they all came to Danbury. The most of the cases, first word they spoke was, Reverend Moon, on behalf of my government, I apologize. I'm ready to listen to you. We want to follow your will. You are great men. You are serving our country. You are saving our religious freedom. You are saving us from the menace of danger of communism. One leader after another, testifying in front of Reverend Moon and Mrs. Moon, father and mother.
당신 이거 하려고 사나이라서 힐된 거라.
Father, in prison, it was a place for plain truth, plain talk. There's nothing, no adjective is necessary. Father gave the naked truth. Would you do it or not? Don't you think it is correct or right or wrong? They will say, you're right. Yes, I will do it. Everybody, even some important man came, they pledged in front of Father. I want to use the word pledge. I pledge before you, Reverend.
너희들은 천년가도 그런 사람을 꼭 굴복시킬 수 없다고.
Without going to Danbury, the God is working in a mysterious way. Without going to Danbury, that kind of man will never come first place, will never surrender second place, and will never pledge third place. You understand?
위대한 얘기.
This is an incredible, miracle happening every day.
자, 그때 멀리 가서 이 목사 30만 이 사람들 앞에 책과 비디오 세트 BTF 만들어가지고 부탁! 예, 곽조한이 전부 다 요즘 이거 다 끝났기 때문에 내가 아주 한숨이 나간다.
So, first thing Father did in Danbury, Father asked Reverend Kwok to send out 300,000 ministers, Divine Principle tapes, books, God's warning to the world, message from the prison, and Father's personal letter. And that was an incredible operation. Father feels very good because that is all done now.
이것이 24시간 전쟁이 벌어지고.
So,
성경을 보는 사람은 성경의 역사는 감옥에서 지었다. 사도 바울이 편지하는 전부 다 감옥에서 쓴 거야.
when you are really interested in the religious history, all the great things that happen in the prison. Look at the Bible. Most of the important Bible in the New Testament is written in the prison. St. Paul letter written out of prison. So Father sent out the message to the prison from the prison.
그래서 이제는 내가 이번에 가서 이제 오늘도 기도를 했지만은 말이야. 참부모님이 해야 할 것은 뭐냐면 지상세계와 천상세계에 맥힌 길을 다 여러 하이웨이를 만들어 놓아야 하이웨이.
So Father fulfilled. And today, this morning, this important holiday, Father prayed and Mother prayed in an early pledge and this morning in a tearful prayer. And Father asked God to give him an opportunity to create a highway here on earth to heaven, so that anybody who get on the highway, without any doubt, they can go to heaven.
여기서보다 지역에서
So this is hell, you know. This is a hellish world. Father created.
덴버리에서부터.
Danbury is the worst.
그 영리의 지역으로부터 천상자라.
So Danbury is representing the hell on earth. Isn't that true? That is the hell on earth. The prison of the United States. Hell on earth. From that place, Father is creating a highway all the way to heaven. Amen. So that everybody and anybody can get on the highway, can go to the goal.
그렇기 때문에 여러분 생각해보라고. 이스라엘 민족들이 광야에서 나와가지고 가나안 7족을 앞에 놓고 들어가게 될 때 말이에요. 요단강을 건너가야 될 때는 여호수아 갈렙을 시켜가지고 저기서 40일 정탐을 해보니 그 보고는 이게 참다. 예? 10사람은 반대하고 2사람은 갈렙 여호수아 형편이 없지. 멀리는 형편에서 그렇지만 하나님이 살아있는 걸 알고 그걸 믿기 때문에 믿고 주장한 사람은 그것이 가난 복지를 했고 그 반대하던 10사람과 제1대 조상들은 전부 다 광야의 독수리밥에 쓰러진 거예요.
You know, history and the lesson from
그래.
Exodus. Exodus in the Old Testament. When they were in the wilderness for 40 years, finally, in order to enter into the land of Canaan, 12 tribes selected one, the espionage or the reconnoiter, one general to go into the land of Canaan, reconnoiter. 12 people went, 12 people came back, 10 people said, no way we can win. Only the Joshua and the Caleb. In face of God, these are the people who said, the God is with us. What should we fear? We can win, we can go into the land of Canaan. God praised the faith. They are the generals who led the second generation in the wilderness, enter into Canaan, and the rest of the generation all slumbered, all completely demolished in the wilderness. You know that history, don't you?
너들도 마찬가지요.
You are the same. Today, end of the 40 years.
가나안 복지는 40년이 된다고 3년 노점을 책정해서 이 3년 노점이 결판부해야 된다고 한 거라고.
So Father already announced we are at the end of the 40 years of wilderness in the modern day, in the 20th century. End of the 40 years crusade. And the final 3-year crusade has begun. Now, who are going to be Joshua and Caleb?
자, 그래서
This is the question.
제2년제가 위험하다고 제일 힘들 때니 그때 흥진이 갖고 내가 감옥에 들어가는 거야.
And the final 3-year crusade, Father always said, second year, which is 1984, was most crucial. And you know, first the month of the year, Hung Jin-Yim was martyred. Seonghwa was taken place.
선생님이 감옥에 들어가는 거야.
And same year, July, Father himself entered into the prison.
하나님 땅을 책임지는 선생님은 심각하다는 거야. 흥진을 말 사탄이 그런 줄 알고 여기 성화식을 통일식을 만들어가지고 성화식을 추리해.
But every case, Father knew he turned this kind of incredible indemnity around the great victory. Hung Jin-Yim Seonghwa, it was not a simple death that turned into incredible victory because Father offered that sacrifices, most crucial sacrifice to heaven for the sake of unification. That's why unification ceremony was conducted. And the Father's own suffering, which is going on now.
승리아들로서 나귀를 지켜보느니 너 갈 때까지는 내 눈물에서 눈물을 안 흘렸다.
So, in time of Hung Jin-Yim passing, Father wanted to make his sacrifice to be a victorious sacrifice. For that reason, until Hung Jin-Yim completely Seonghwa, completed, Father never shed even one drop of tears. Because Father knew that sacrifice was a victorious sacrifice, not defeated
꿈
sacrifice.
같은 얘기야. 꿈 같은 얘기인데 세계 선생님이 기도한 대로 사실대로 지금 벌어지고
But then,
믿기만 할 일이 벌어지고
in that unification ceremony, what fathers prayed, that it become a reality, one after another. It's almost like a dreamy thing, but become a reality, one thing after another, unfolded.
요즘은 이 통일교 교인들이 그걸 알지.
Unification Church members throughout the world knows exactly sacrifice of Hung Jin-Yim, what kind of role he plays in the spirit world today.
그래서 이 120개 국가를 중심 삼고 조여들고
So 120 nations are becoming, knitted in a close and become one and one, in a close into one unity, one unification.
홍수가 몰려 홍수가 이제 큰 이 사모의 구레이트에 홍수가 나가지고 물이 사방으로 모여들어가지고 툭 넘는 날은 문제가 나는.
So it's almost like the flood setting up each mountain. The stream is small, but when they assemble, and more assemble, and it become overflow, the river, it become a Niagara Fall. That point, nothing, no power under the sun can stop it.
그래서 미국의 여론이 많이 달라졌지.
So then what happened? American public opinion, especially after Father's incarceration, has become day to day changed.
이렇게 잘하고 하던 사람이 내부문 소문 신문 남은 날수록 내려 손을 내리고 내려가자 내려가자.
There's so many people. When first they heard Reverend Moon was incarcerated, went into the prison, that so many people shouted, hurrah, good for America. Those people. Now, every article about Reverend Moon coming out, they're coming down. Their hand is coming down. Their conscience get hurt. They're not happy at all. They feel guilty. They now say, shame.
조상들이 와서 못 살리는 와서.
Furthermore, so many mobilization of the spirit world, their own ancestors coming down. They'll never let you,
지금
alone.
reverend 지금 무서운 존재라 지금 이 법무사에서. 불을 떨고 이래.
The Reverend Moon.
죄지 좀 줘야지.
Reverend Moon has become a fearful entity. Even the recent parole situation, the news all over the world said, U.S. government doesn't know how to handle with Reverend Moon. Reverend Moon become hottest hot potato.
죄 있으면 그래. 죄 있으면 죄 있는 저 녀석은 그래야 된다고. 난 감옥에서도
So, who is confident in tranquility, in peace, Reverend Moon in prison? Those who pushed Reverend Moon in the prison, those people responsible to go, let the father go to jail, are the one shrinking and hurting and fearful. All right? That's the natural course. If they don't, spirit world will let them. Spirit world will never let them go free.
그러니까 이런 때에 있어서야 우리 모두들은 여호수아 갈렙과 같이 이 세상 천지 어떤 것을 향해서 대단하게 나갈 수 있게끔 해야 된다. 이만큼 대단하게.
So, members of unification today are, every single one of you, are the Joshua and the Caleb. So, what's the slogan of the Joshua and the Caleb? They said, bold and strong. Be bold and strong.
strong.
Say it. Be bold and strong. Once again, be bold and strong. One more time. Be bold and strong. That's the slogan for Joshua and the Caleb. That's going to be our slogan. Be bold and strong.
너무 자식들 지금까지 미국 사과방식까지 떴다고. 전화하고 왔지. 왜 그래야지. 내 내비가 죽게.
Become fearful. Become restless. And, for this excuse, go back home. Well, I want to go